Starting with one of the most amazing electric tools, DeWalt has developed a unique and versatile solution for cutting cables. Powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it offers the freedom to work without being restricted by power outlets. With its high-performance motor and adjustable depth gauge, this tool delivers fast and accurate stripping results on various cable types and sizes. Being one of the most game-changing tools for productivity, it features a variable speed trigger, with reverse speed control and an adjustable onboard LED light that helps illuminate dark or low light situations. The tool works on cables up to 380 square millimeters for copper wire and 456 square millimeters for aluminum wires. Safety is also prioritized, thanks to the adjustable wire stop preventing accidental conductors damage. With a price of $85, it's a must-have tool for professionals who are in the electrical cable industry. Moreover, if you like doing DIY projects, this is a great tool to have in your arsenal. As we go ahead, we have some of the best tools for professionals, whether you're in the construction industry or the plumbing industry, so make sure to keep watching. This unique and versatile tool would be a favorite for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It's a multi-angle vise, which can be set up anywhere and hold your workpieces for you. The product is also patented, and the multi-angle feature allows for easy positioning and securing of materials at different angles, providing flexibility and convenience during tasks requiring stability and precision. It can be securely mounted to a workbench or other suitable surface, providing a stable platform for clamping and securing workpieces. With the Stanley 183-069 Max Steel multi-angle vise, you can confidently work on woodworking, metalworking, or crafting, as well as any other projects that require a secure and adjustable work-holding solution. Available for $60, you might argue the price is a bit much, but that's nothing compared to the sense of freedom it provides. Our next tool is ideal for construction workers as it makes their work easier and dust-free. This is a powerful and reliable tool for the construction industry. The most compact cordless nailer fastens drywall, concrete, and steel walls. It's one of the lightest, most powerful, and most versatile gas nailers, with 10,000 shots per charge. Weighing 3.4 kilograms, it features a lightweight and ergonomic design, reducing user fatigue and improving maneuverability. The nail gun's easy to handle and completes the work without any mess or noise. It operates between -15 and 49 degrees Celsius, and the cordless gas nailer is available for $855. Moving ahead, we have more construction tools, a dream for any worker. Now this is an innovative tool that the cable operators would love to have with them. Decoiling large cable coils was more challenging than this portable tool allows for flexible adjustability and easy handling. The Clow is ergonomic, durable, and perfectly finished for industry standards. It comes in two versions, the standard one and an XL one. The standard one weighs 7.5 kilograms and is specifically designed to hold a maximum diameter of 75 centimeters. The XL model weighs 9.5 kilograms and can hold a maximum diameter of 1 meter. The lifting capacity of both models is the same, as they can lift 80 kilograms. This tool is special because it doesn't require any complex procedure and can be easily operated by a single person. The standard version of this unique tool is priced at $357. Do you own a bicycle? If yes, you should immediately order the next tool we will show you. As many cars get released, no one can deny the popularity and sales of bicycles. In 2021, the US bicycle market was valued at $5.18 billion. This calls for bicycle tools, such as the Union Spoke Tension Meter, a specialized tool for measuring and adjusting the tension of spokes and bicycle wheels. It's designed to ensure the spokes are properly tensioned, which is crucial for maintaining wheel stability, strength, and overall performance. The spoke tension meter typically consists of a calibrated gauge with a tensioning arm or probe. The tensioning arm is placed on the spoke, and the gauge provides a numerical reading of the tension. This allows the user to measure and adjust the tension of each spoke accurately to achieve optimal balance and uniformity across the wheel. This compact and lightweight tool is available for $136. If you're a bicycle mechanic, you must instantly get your hands on these. We also have tools for the big cars ahead. Our next tool is also appealing for the mechanics, but only for heavy-duty trucks. The following is a specialized tool designed to remove driveline yokes from heavy-duty vehicles efficiently. Built with heavy-duty construction, this tool is engineered to withstand the high forces involved in yoke removal, ensuring durability and long-term use in demanding applications. With a menacing pulling force of 11 tons, it minimizes the damage, allowing for efficient removal. It's compatible with several Class 6 and Class 8 trucks. This can come in handy, especially in desperate situations. Crafted from high-quality steel, it's priced at $500. Maybe the tools are getting too high-end, and now it's time to talk about one such tool which anyone can use, and it's ideal for DIY enthusiasts working in their homes. The Craig Magnetic Stud Finder is a handy tool that simplifies the process of locating studs in walls and ceilings. This compact and portable device utilizes powerful neodymium magnets to accurately detect metal fasteners, such as nails or screws, that are embedded in the wall or ceiling studs. The Stud Finder has various versions, where a simple version just uses a bubble leveler, whereas an advanced version also contains a laser light, which can indicate ultimate precision. The Stud Finder can also hang on the walls without any support, quickly identifying the presence of metal fasteners. The basic version's available for $11. The advanced version's up for grabs at $30, and it also needs 2 AA batteries to operate the laser. We're now getting into the top 5 tools you need to buy. Don't go anywhere, as the best is yet to come. This may look like a normal knife, but this comes with a unique 2-in-1 option, as it can be a simple cutter and a scraper. The transformation is effortless, as with its patented mechanism, you can easily switch between utility knife and scraper modes with a simple thumb press, providing convenience and efficiency in one tool. In scraper mode, this tool becomes a powerful instrument for removing paint, putty, labels, and adhesive from surfaces like windows, mirrors, and tiles. Additionally, this tool is equipped with an integrated paint can opener, adding convenience to your painting projects. It also has a lanyard opening feature for easy tethering, allowing you to keep it close at hand. The tool weighs 300 grams and features a non-slip handle. All of this can be yours for just $24. Carrying heavy loads onto trucks or moving from one place can take time and effort. Not anymore, as our next tool makes the movement effortless. This Italian company's created this innovative hand truck, making carrying payloads a breeze. It's an ideal stair-climbing trolley for last-mile deliveries weighing up to 200 kilograms. Its innovative electric piston technology ensures smooth and stable operation, allowing for easy and precise control over the crawler tracks. Unlike traditional designs, the tracks and wheels do not interfere with each other, making it effortless to navigate and enter landings without any imbalance. A single person can effortlessly move heavy objects from the stairs, and it's an ideal tool to help lift electronics for repairs. The only con of this hand truck is its price, which is $6,000. As we're into the top 3 gadgets, we have some incredible patented products waiting for you. How can we complete a video about impressive tools without a drill bit? This unique RMTX drill bit is specifically designed for high-speed drilling of complex materials in dry conditions. It utilizes diamond segments with oriented diamonds, allowing for efficient and precise drilling performance. The RMTX drill bits are available in various outer diameters ranging from 42mm to 152mm. They come in 300mm and 450mm lengths and feature a shank size of 1-inch UNC. What makes these unique is that they're designed for dry drilling, thus eliminating the need for cooling or lubrication during the process. The manufacturer claims that this powerful drill would drill through anything. The price of this drill ranges from $80 to $160. The German engineering company Bosch has developed this innovative cordless tacker, which has full power for versatile DIY applications. The Bosch Universal Tacker is suitable for various applications, including upholstery work, crafts, home improvement projects, and more. Whether you need to secure materials such as fabric, paper, cardboard, or thin wood, this tacker provides a convenient and efficient solution. The push and release system ensures optimum control during operation by eliminating self-triggering. The tacker is designed for hassle-free loading of staples or nails. This tool belongs to the 18-volt Power for All system, meaning a similar battery can be used in all such Bosch devices. With an impressive speed of 30 staples per minute, the Universal Tacker just weighs 1.3 kilograms. This incredible device comes for $124. As we move to the last tool left on our list, this is a must-have gadget for workshop owners and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative tool is pretty simple, but truly an engineering masterclass, as you might never have expected a wrench to be patented. These people did it with their impressive solution, as the Bionic Wrench features a unique jaw design that automatically adjusts to the size of the fastener you're working with. This means you no longer need to constantly adjust the wrench to fit different sizes of nuts and bolts. The jaw design also provides a secure grip, minimizing slippage and rounding of fastener heads. Its adjustable jaw design comes in 2 different versions, where it can fasten bolt sizes varying from 7 to 14 mm and 13 to 20 mm. Its soft cushion handles add extra comfort, and its ergonomic design makes the work easier. These exceptional patented wrenches can be bought for $33 or $35. As we come to the end of our incredible tools, remember to stay cool and stay curious. Until then, happy tooling!